A dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree. Very soft brake pedal feel and no chance of driving your vehicle normally. Then you may have been hit by Honda's brake feel simulator issue. So buckle up and let's get started. With hybrid vehicles becoming increasingly popular as EV demand stagnates, new car buyers expect regenerative braking to increase their vehicle's electric range whilst experiencing pedal feel, which mimics the operation of traditional hydraulic brakes. As a result, manufacturers like Honda fit brake-by-wire systems, which provide proper feedback, thereby overcoming a critical barrier to hybrid adoption by having brake performance that's consistent with what consumers have already become accustomed to. But what happens when things go wrong? One of the key components to hybrid regenerative systems is what's called a brake pedal feel simulator. The unit helps provide a consistent, natural brake feel regardless of the battery state, pad and disc friction levels, and the prevailing driving conditions. It's this component which has been causing trouble for Honda owners, with more than 500,000 vehicles in Japan recalled in December 2023 due to premature unit failures. So, why is this a ticking time bomb for owners outside of Japan? Well, we've become aware that an ever-increasing number of UK and European owners, especially hybrid Jazz and Honda E models, have been experiencing what techs have described as brake servo failures. But, having delved deeper into this issue, it seems that Honda's brake feel simulator module is to blame, costing upwards of £2,000 to repair and affecting cars with as little as 20,000 miles on the clock. This issue is now hitting early adopters of the Jazz Mark IV from 2020 as their 3-year warranties have just ended. As this is not yet an official recall outside of Japan, Honda country sales organizations around Europe have been offering goodwill gestures of up to 40% of the cost to fix vehicles that are just out of warranty. Nevertheless, in Japan, the reason behind the recall was explained as a manufacturing fault, as the countermeasure parts mentioned in Honda's recall take time to supply. Customers there are being notified by post once they're available. In Europe, the short supply of the same replacement brake pedal feel simulators means that owners are having to wait weeks for remedial work to be done. Needless to say, the cost and delays for getting their Jazz vehicles back on the road are hugely frustrating to loyal Honda owners. From our investigations, we understand this part is manufactured by Nissin, with variations also being used in the Honda CR-V, Civic, Accord, and other models in both Europe, North America, and elsewhere. So, if you've been affected by this problem recently, please leave your comments below. This way, a full recall for affected chassis numbers from 2020 onwards may be issued to owners in Europe and other regions, thereby negating the cost to fix a £2,000 issue not of the making by careful Honda owners. Tell us your stories on this issue and don't forget to like and subscribe for additional Honda recall information.